Hi everyone, my name is Steve, and for those of you who don't know me, besides making video tutorials on YouTube, I also love drones. I also love these bad boys. So actually, I wanted to share my experience on how to build a drone from scratch and eventually fly it in the air. So next month, I'm ordering a new set of components, and I wanted to share my experience, my tips and tricks when it comes to building a drone from scratch and eventually flying it in the air. So if you'd like to watch me build one of these from scratch and share my experience, my mistakes, my tips and tricks when it comes to building these drones, please let me know by sharing and liking this video. So if you like and share this video, you just let me know that you want to see one of these videos. So I'm planning to make a video series on how to build one of these, how to fly one of these, and anything related to FPV. So this is my first experiment when it comes to FPV. I threw this video in the air, so I wanted to see how big the request is. So if the request is big enough, I'm gonna start making videos when it comes to FPV as well. So as I was saying, guys, by the end of April, I'm gonna analyze the request. I'm gonna see how many people actually want to see me building one of these drones from scratch. And if the request is big enough, we're gonna start building one of these bad boys from scratch. So without further ado, guys, I'll see you next month. Peace!